guys, I'm currently on my way to South Beach because it is Memorial Weekend, and every year at this time of the year they will have like an air show on South Beach above Lummus Park, and they will even have the B-2 stealth bomber flying in about 45 minutes, so I'll have to get there pretty quickly and find parking, which is probably impossible. The first year I was in Miami, I was just sitting in the Botanic Garden and I saw the fighter jets in the air and I didn't know what was going on. The second year I missed it because I was working, so this year I'll finally be able to see everything. And a little bit of history in case you guys don't know. Memorial Day is celebrating the people who died during the American Civil War in 1861 to 1865. And then over years, it started being a celebration day for basically everyone who has died in the military in every war. Here's the port of Miami and the icon of the seas. This is maybe the largest cruise ship in the world right now. I'm not sure, there was some news about this the other day. Instead of looking for parking forever, I just went to one of the park houses and walked like 10 minutes. There's lots of police around, and I wouldn't be surprised if there's snipers on top of some of the taller buildings, like somewhere up there, for example. Usually this area doesn't have any beach chairs, and you never see boats parked in the water like this because this is open ocean and the waves are pretty rough usually. They are as well today, but for today everyone is just waiting for this air show to start, which should be in like 30 minutes or less. Now I'm considering staying here on the beach, or I go on top of the roof of one of these hotels. But a little bit further to the front, looks like there's some commotion, so maybe there's something else to see. It is so bright, I'm burning my eyes out even with sunglasses and a hat. Here's a store selling wooden models. These are pretty cool. This is what I saw a video of yesterday, them building this out of sand, and they're still working on it. The so familiar painting. I'm here now at Hotel Ocean, just waiting for them to give me the key to get to the rooftop. First fighter jets just flew by and it is so loud I won't be able to talk as when the air show is happening. trying to film when they're super close to the beach and like flying high speed, and you see the fog behind the aircraft, but you don't know where they're coming from. Like, they're so fast, you have no idea which direction they're flying in from. There's helicopters all over the place. The B-2 stealth bomber is flying somewhere up here, and 2 more helicopters coming from back there. And now they just parachuted out. They basically just stormed the beach over here. Just so you get a grasp of how expensive war is, this B-2 stealth bomber costs about $1 billion to manufacture. That's more than every single of these hotels, buildings on Ocean Drive together. And there it is. This is gonna go on for another like 2 hours, but I can feel my face and my arms getting burned, so I'm gonna go home.